Wusong fought the tiger with his fists, but this monk tamed the tiger with a bowl of rice. He is the most unique among the 18 arhats. With compassion, he subdued the tiger within his own heart. Today, let me introduce you to Fuhu Arhat. Part 1. Who was he? Fuhu Arhat is the 18th of the 18 arhats. He is also known as Venerable Fu. As for his true identity, there are two main traditions. Some say he was an incarnation of Maitreya Bodhisattva. Others say he was one of the Buddha's disciples. After research during the reign of Emperor Qianlong of the Qing dynasty, the 18th arhat was officially identified as Venerable Nandamita. From then on, the image of Fuhu Arhat became deeply rooted in people's hearts. Part 2. Feeding the Tiger. Legend says that outside the monastery where Venerable Fuhu lived, a hungry tiger often roared in the mountains. Whenever the tiger appeared, the Venerable did not drive it away. He used no spells and showed no fear. He simply divided his meal in half and placed it outside the temple gate. One day passed, then 2. 1 year passed, then another. Over time, the tiger was transformed by his compassion. It no longer harmed anyone. It even came often to stay by his side. The once terrifying beast eventually became the gentle guardian of the monastery. Part 3. The symbol of the tiger. The tiger is not only a wild animal, it also represents greed, anger, and hatred within the human heart. So how did the Venerable subdue the tiger? He began with compassion. True compassion is the gentle power that can tame greed and hatred. To feed the tiger may seem ordinary, but it was the practice of giving. The tiger's transformation may seem miraculous, but it reveals the power of a purified heart. Part 4. Historical incarnations. Besides the traditional identity of the Venerable, several eminent monks in history were also known as Fuhu. In Hangzhou, during the late 10th and 5 dynasties period, there was a master known as Zen Master Fuhu at Hupao Temple in Hangzhou. His story is still remembered today. Another story tells of an eminent monk who practiced on Qingyuan Mountain in Chuanzhou. The cave where he stayed was once a tiger's den. When the tiger returned and saw the old monk, the monk calmly spoke Dharma to it. The tiger nodded and quietly left. Later, the tiger brought its cubs, and they guarded the temple gate for 13 years. Part 5. Folk Legends. In Taixing, Jiangsu, there is a legend about Zen Master Fu. During the late Tang Dynasty, he became a monk at Guangfu Temple in Ti. At that time, tigers often terrorized the local people. The master struck the tiger's back with his Zen staff and warned it never to harm people again. From then on, the tiger disappeared. In his later years, the master practiced on Shaogu Mountain. After his nirvana, his sacred image was honored by the people. Whenever drought came and people prayed for rain, his image was carried out, and the prayers were often answered. Even today in Taixing, places such as Xi'an Bay, the Washing Bowl Pond, and Zen Master Village still commemorate this Fuhu Arhat. Part 6. His artistic image. In art, Fuhu Arhat is often shown with high brows, a broad forehead, and the appearance of a bearded monk. Beside him is usually a gentle tiger. The Shushan stone statue from the Qing dynasty in the Palace Museum shows him holding a bowl as he feeds the tiger. At Fo Guangshan, there is also a statue of Fuhu. His eyes are bright and watchful, as if protecting all beings in peace. The tiger looks back at the Venerable, its face full of gentleness and respect. The Venerable gently touches the tiger's nose, more like comforting it than conquering it. The end. The life of Fuhu Arhat has no thrilling scene of fighting a tiger. There is only compassion, offered day after day. He teaches us that true power is not about conquering others, but about while subduing ourselves. The tiger is a beast outside us, but it is also the wildness within our hearts. When we can use our own food to ease the hunger of others and use our compassion to soften the violence of the world, then in that moment, we too become Fuhu Arhats. Amitabha Guan Yin Bodhisattva. The Bodhisattva worshipped in countless homes is the most familiar Bodhisattva to the Chinese people. But you may not know that in one legend, Guan Yan was once a princess. To save her father's eyes, she sacrificed her own arms. Today, let me introduce you to Avalokiteshvara Bodhisattva, the Bodhisattva of Great Compassion. Part 1. Princess Miao. Long ago, there was a king named King Miao and a queen named Boya. On the 19th day of the second lunar month, the queen dreamed of the sun entering her arms. When she awoke, she gave birth to a daughter named Miao. From childhood, Miaoshan was unlike ordinary children. She loved Buddhism, had a compassionate heart, and could recite scriptures at the age of 5. She was wiser and kinder than her 2 elder sisters. King Miao Zhuang loved her dearly and wanted to choose the best husband for her. But Miaoshan refused. Father, I do not wish to marry. I wish to become a nun. Part 2. The Fire at Baik Temple. King Miao Zhuang was furious. He locked his daughter in the palace courtyard, then sent her to Baik Temple, hoping hardship would change her mind. But instead, Miaoshan became even more devoted. In anger, the king ordered the temple to be burned. Flames rose into the sky, and the temple was about to be destroyed. Miaoshan pricked her finger, and her blood turned into red rain, putting out the fire. King Miao Zhuang thought she was a demon and ordered her to be executed. But black clouds covered the sky, and a white tiger appeared, carrying her away into the mountains. Part 3. A journey through hell. After Miaoshan's death, her soul traveled to the underworld. Wherever she went, beings suffering in hell were liberated. Yama feared that hell itself would be emptied, so he sent her back to the human world. Guided by Taibai Jingxing, Miaoshan went to Mount Puchu to continue her cultivation. After 9 years of ascetic practice, her merit was finally complete. At that time, King Miao Zhuang became gravely ill. His body was covered with sores, and no medicine could cure him. Miaoshan transformed into an old monk and came down from the mountain. She told the king, to cure this illness, medicine must be made from the hands and eyes of your own child. The eldest and second princesses refused. Only Miaoshan said, I am willing to offer my hands and eyes. Part 4. The 1,000 hands and 1,000 eyes. Miaoshan gave up her eyes and cut off her arms to save her father. After taking the medicine, King Miao Zhuang recovered. Only then did he realize that the daughter who saved him was his third daughter, Miaoshan. He knelt before her and wept bitterly.